Throughout these videos, we'll present several dynamic animations that you can execute either with the iPython interpreter or, once again, in the context of Jupyter Notebooks. Now, to get those animations to work correctly in the context of Jupyter, you'll need to install a package called Jupyter-matplotlib. Matplotlib is a graphics visualization package that is going to enable you to create some very impressive graphics with minimal amounts of code. We'll also be taking advantage of another library that's built on top of Matplotlib called Seaborn, and in order to use either of those two in the context of Jupyter for these dynamic animations, we will need this package first. So to do that, you're going to have to install by its package name, which is actually ipympl. So these are the commands that you'll need to execute for that purpose, and you'll need to execute these commands one at a time. So what you should do at this point is pause the video and go ahead and open up a command line like we showed you earlier in this before you begin lesson, and then one at a time execute each of the 4 different commands that you see here. When you're done with all of those installations, go ahead and restart the video.